Why means we cannot leave them suddenly.
Oh.
Even we do have a feelings.
Yeah, definitely.
Everybody, we are humans.
Right.
We are not animals. Even animals does have,
Yeah.
but they won't express.
Right.
But we will.
So, tell about yourself first.
About me, you know about me, right?
No, I don't know.
Okay, I am Anish, basically from Bangalore itself. So born and brought up in Bangalore itself. I'm a Christian and I'm a chill kind of person.
Okay.
That's all.
Like, I found that you really a chill guy. So, could you tell me about how many girlfriend actually that still you had, and like that?
There's no girlfriends now. I had 2 girlfriends.
Okay.
The 2 also got broke up.
Okay.
The one which I had last one, it was the serious relationship which I wanted to marry, and it recently got
Broke out.
So that's what, it's all there in the trust.
Okay. So the first one, and okay. What about that? What that broke out and all the thing? What they're doing now? Where they are? Any idea?
The first girl, she got married and she has a baby now.
Okay.
So she's there in her own world. So the present one, which I recently got breaked up. So she's currently working in a company,
Okay.
IT company. So she is an accountant. Yeah, she was good to me actually, and we had some, the what will
Good
be there.
time,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So the things is you are conveying that still you are stalking them, or
No.
because of how that you could find out that the things still what they are doing, where they are and all. If you're not stalking them, and how could we find out this?
We should actually.
Why?
Why means we cannot leave them suddenly.
Oh.
Even we do have a feelings.
Yeah, definitely.
Everybody, we are humans.
Right.
We are not animals. Even animals does have,
Yeah.
but they won't express.
Right.
But we will.
So they are in Facebook friend you?
We were actually.
Okay.
Currently, we are not
Okay.
there. We each blocked in all the.
Okay. You blogged or she blogged?
Actually, I did. Then she did in all the way.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Definitely in relationship, I think you have lots of experience on that. So what the things for our viewers, that what the advice you can give, that what the things we supposed to do, what the things not to do in love?
See, love is a special kind of a thing
Okay.
in the world.
Okay.
Okay, so when you love some person,
Okay.
so the first thing what you have to do is
Okay.
trust that person.
Okay.
Okay, then you start loving him.
Okay.
If you don't have any trust on them, it doesn't work out at all.
Correct.
So yes, trust is the main part of life,
Okay. So
part of love also.
So
I can
what do you think that that you had trust after
And-
that is trust already broke out?
say. What I wanted to tell about, tell you to your viewers and all, no. See, if you're in a relationship, please continue the same. No matter what, let it get ended anywhere. Try to love any one girl
Okay.
or one boy.
Okay.
See, there are so many human beings who are waiting for others also. No?
Correct.
So, one relationship is always to be there in our
Okay.
memories.
Okay.
So, if we had many kind of relationships in our memories, no, that will be like that will take us to somewhere else.
Correct.
In our past, like the past which we had. Past is the main
Right.
thing which we always get doubt
Yes.
on, and we'll start fighting together. So the main thing is love one person, marry that person, end with that person.
Why you have done with two?
Yeah, that's good question. Situation.
So the things is first broke out, after that you patch up with
No,
other,
actually, it
or-
was not that kind of a relationship which we had. The second relationship which we had, no, it was the like we were about to get married, so we had some trust issues, and yeah.
later is arises the trust issues, or from the beginning only it was?
Later, from the beginning, we were actually good, and she was looking like she was taking care of me very well.
But you have done in between something different
Yeah,
thing?
yeah,
Different thing, that means of you
it
have,
all happened with because
when
of
you
me
have
only.
seen other girl?
No. It all happened because of me only.
Okay.
So I started doubting her. I started like scolding her in a bad words and all. So it happened. So the mistakes and all.
Yours only, you are taking
Yeah.
that all responsibility.
Yes. Because everybody knows it. See, we should be very prompt on what we are doing. So God is there. He'll take care of us. That's all.
To whom in the world you loving most?
Love your parents first.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter whom do you love, others and all, because they are there since
From your birth.
from the birth until the end. They'll be there. No matter what, love your parents first, then comes everything. I know like the life partner will also guide us to like they'll lead us to the
Correct.
end, but the main thing is parents are the most important thing in the life.
Any incidents you remember that in your life that happened, and that your parents have done for you, and make you cry by thinking of that?
See, we have done lots of mistakes, and we have hurt them also in a many matter. I'll give you the example. See, we when we are in a relationship, we fight, we do everything, but at last what they'll do, they'll break up and they'll go. But parent, they don't do that and all, because they'll forgive us in all the ways, and they'll guide us in what way we have to go.
Correct.
They'll support us actually. Moreover, they won't fight.
Right.
They'll support us actually.
So any incident, that anything that recently that you had experience and when you thinking that make you cry?
The recent this thing only, like they have helped me in many other things, because even they are not feeling well also. At the time also they'll take care of us.
Correct.
See, when we are in some other mood,
Right.
they'll make us happy at the time.
Right. Correct.
So when we see their face, no, at the time, so we should think that, oh, this is not the life. The life is still there.
Correct.
So whatever happens, the life must go on. So first parents, then comes everything.
Okay. So as per your opinion, what is the purest love?
The purest love is giving birth to a baby and taking care of them. So that is the most purest love in the world.
Yes.
So it is mother love. That's all. Mother and the parent. So parents, like some people like mother, some people like father, but they both are great.
Correct.
So we don't want to
Judge that which one is the pure one,
whichever.
but both we are thinking
Both.
the purest.
Yes.